Oh, smelly.
Trip, what is that?
Creech.
You named him Creech?
He likes hiding in my truck.
Trip, this man might have a word with you.
I'm not going anywhere with you. Yes, you are. Watch this. Hey, stop. I don't know who's driving, him or me.
Hang on!
Okay, Creech, let's get you fed.
I like your truck.
Thanks.